This is a used 2011 Gore 2-horse gooseneck with side ramp. The trailer's in very good condition. The skin, of course, shows some age, shows almost 14 years of age. Nothing wrong with it, just shows that it's lived outside. It's a horse trailer, not abused, but used. The stripes have faded a little over the years. It has a water tank and a spare tire mounted here underneath the nose. That's a Gore made water tank. If you're not familiar with the Gore trailers, the Gore is a steel chassis with aluminum frame and aluminum skin. They have a treated wooden floor and a fiberglass roof, and the walls are insulated. So oh goodness, stub my toe. The wall up to the gooseneck is insulated. So this wall here and this one, but not your gooseneck nose walls. Nice size gooseneck, plenty of room for storage. Two lights here in the dressing room. This is a new camper vent. As we all know, they age and get brittle, so we did replace that camper vent once it got here to Trailer Country. Clothing bar and bridle hooks. Blanket bar. 2 saddle racks and a blanket pole there underneath, saddle rack pole. Built-in boot box. It is a 5-foot dressing room in this trailer. The trailer is 17 feet on the floor. It's a 5-foot dressing room and a 12-foot horse area. Walk-through door here from the horse area to the dressing room. This is a 2-horse straight load with a side ramp. So you have 2 straight load stalls and then 5 feet of space between the breast bar and the dressing room wall to allow horses to easily exit that space. 2 pop-up roof vents in the horse area. I don't think I mentioned that the trailer is 7'6" tall and 6 feet wide. Again, 17 feet on the floor, treated wooden floor, fiberglass roof. That fiberglass is going to keep this trailer much, much cooler in the summertime than an insulated aluminum roof even. Again, a 5-foot dressing room, 12-foot horse area. I'm going to close this up as I go so I can show you the skin. Again, you know, just a little bit aged. The skin isn't shiny anymore. That's going to be very typical of a trailer this age. The black streaks are really kind of a stain at this point. They're not really going to come off on a trailer this age. Fenders are in good shape. That step/running board there is in good shape. Again, some of this staining, some of it may come off a little bit with a rubbing compound, but we're just extra careful not to take away any extra paint on that skin. This ramp up. I just threw that ramp up with my non-dominant hand. It's pretty easy to do. Again, the stripes are a bit faded. Looking through this camera, they come out a little better on the camera than I think they are in person. I would just rather be realistic and tell you for sure what I'm seeing. These are obviously faded a little bit more. So there is a difference there. The one on the ramp, not as faded as the one on the side. Top door has a sliding window here under the side ramp. Load light over that side ramp. Wheels were just serviced. They were serviced here in March and then just serviced here again when it came in for sale. All the pads are in good shape. Breast and butt bar pads, sidewall pads, all in very good condition. Again, you have that walk-through door from the horse area to the dressing room. It's a very nice trailer. This customer brought it to us on consignment because she purchased a 2+1 from Gore trailers. Very happy with the Gore trailer. So she upgraded her 2-horse side ramp gooseneck to a 2+1, also a Gore. Again, this is a 2011 Gore 2-horse straight load side ramp. Just want you to see some of the staining. Again, some of that may come off with compounding. We honestly don't have staff to do that for us, and we get a little bit nervous about taking off some of that old paint. So a little compounding may help, but I am not willing to risk that with the staff that I currently have for washing. 2011 Gore. Good running boards here. No marks on the fenders. Looks pretty good. The trailer is at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. It is available, you can see it on our website, trailercountryllc.com.